This is one sweet Restomod, folks. This is a 1958 Corvette, totally redone. Art Morrison Chassis, full Art Morrison Chassis underneath. LS3 engine, overdrive automatic, four-wheel disc brakes. This just has all the right magic. 1958, one of the best years for styling of the Corvette. It's got these vertical chrome bars back here, just gives it a sweet look. And this is an original color, by the way, tropical turquoise. That's what they called this color in 1958. Beautiful dash. It's got the Dakota Digital gauge set in here. They work really nice. And then where this car really shines, under the hood, LS3 engine, 6.2 liters of LS power. You can see down in there, that's the Art Morrison Chassis number. We'll have a close-up of that in our photo gallery. Beautiful chassis work. These cars, these Art Morrison Chassis are just the best on the market. This car rides, handles, stops, steers almost like a modern Corvette, but you have all the classic styling. Heavy-duty aluminum radiator there, a nice electric fan. Of course, you have vintage air conditioning. You have power windows. I'm gonna hop in and fire it up for you. I love what they did with this steering wheel. One turn of the key, that LS fires up just like that every time. Very consistent, very crisp. Awesome sounding exhaust system, which is beautifully done. Check out our undercarriage pictures. You can see the whole underside of the body is insulated, custom fitting exhaust. Looking at your gauges, you know, you got all the usual stuff. Very easy to read. You got your 4 shifter for the automatic, and it will go through all the gears with you there. Works really well. Just like you'd expect. Your vintage air works really well in this car. I mean, it will about blow you out of here if you want it to. The compressor kicked on, the fans kicked on. That's what you want. Wipers, oh yeah, there you go. We do have a horn. And oh, another feature I really like is they kept the stock looking Wonderbar radio, but it's been all redone internally. You got nice kick panel speakers along with a sub in the trunk. Sounds really good, and I like that they kept all the stock factory HVAC controls for your air and your heat. Vents or defrost, fan speed, and then air or heat there. Really cool that they did that. This is a top-notch built 58 Corvette Restomod. Listen to that engine. Very nice idle, super smooth. Just sounds really good. The paint and body work was already done on this car when they did the chassis. So it is the paint job is older than the chassis and the engine. So keep that in mind. Also, 1958, you have the louvered hood. Very cool. But the paint and body overall is just in excellent condition, as you can see here. Love the idle of this LS3. If you're interested in this Corvette, make sure to go to our website, scroll down, there's a link in the description. There you can find that asking price, you can find all the photos, all the undercarriage photos, you can really check out that custom art Morrison chassis. And if you'd like to make an offer, make sure to give us a call. I did want to point out just a couple imperfections on the car so you know what you're buying. So there is a crack on the inside of the driver's side wheel lip. You can see that right there. This side has one right there on the passenger side front wheel lip with a small crack right there. And moving along this way, it's all super clean. Backs look real good, tires fit perfectly. There's your exhaust where it comes out. The actual tailpipes are just to keep the original look, but you had to go with a bigger tip for the bigger engine. There is a crack right here. Driver's side just in front of the rear tire. But overall, paint and body, interior, ride and drive, this thing is in excellent shape. So if you have any more questions, don't hesitate. Please reach out to us. Call, text, email, whichever you prefer. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching, folks.